Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith, them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, bless the love, God, bless the love. Good morning. Yes, so, guys, it is that morning. We're getting ready to head up to Miami River to put in some work with we and the team up by Cranberry. You know, so Baja is here and the team is here. So I just arrived here in Trenchtown, organizing everyone. You need to come push out for us to go on the road. Yo, Gio, all going. Yeah. 30 grand! Are we still sleeping? Eh? Oh, come in now. So we have 30 grand here in the morning. We have Jenna. Jenna, we could bring them here down here so they go and pack them. Yeah. Yeah, man. From Miami. So we're going to do some work up there as well to and cook some food at the same time. You can roll the fish them and see rip and carry them. Yeah, you can come and come help in the kitchen then. How much must sell the cheap one for?
2 and 3 grand.
2-5 man, the cheap grand.
They say 2 to 3 grand. Yeah, we say cheap shots. Come on, go talk in a river and the mother tell me about 2 and 3 grand. Wicked boy, man. I want market shots. Yeah. No, man, I tell them something. The back of the sword. Level. Yeah, man, say 2 of the sharp and the candy. It's up on the bucket, man. Yeah, and the level.
Oh, yes. Bring us 2 of the come.
You see level?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 500 for that, man. Because Liverpool color them, then they work with them there. I've got to print some manu on them.
Yeah, man.
You say, yo, we have to put some manu up and say. Good. Alright, guys, so see you now. We're ready for the morning. We have prefect here. Okay. Yeah, 30 guys still sleeping.
Yeah, I'm going late, make me sleep late this morning, man. But after 3 or something like so.
After 3? After 3, man. That's not late.
Yeah, man, that's late for me.
30 grand, I pay them tell them I go to my bed, man, and later than that.
Yeah,
I still get up back early. Just on the phone?
Yeah, dip on the phone.
Nah.
TikTok.
You think
I left over TikTok, I go on Facebook.
Nah, man, that you're not supposed to make that take your energy, cause yeah, from TikTok. Yeah, after 3 in the morning. No, sir. I already know. Yeah, I'm there. So we have Arius here, the electrician, I come do some wiring today.
Bless you,
You
love.
know. We have Baja go and feed off him face early as the man. Put in the strength.
I feel up my face now because when I'm up there, I don't have time for this.
Yeah.
Straight work.
Yes, sir.
And try to get something done.
Mm-hmm.
So that's right there.
Right, that's
Out.
there. Right. Yeah. So the man. That's a guy wake up.
Man, genius, man. He's a genius, man.
Man said guy better after 3. I thought beat him so much. The man don't want us asleep. Instead of asleep. Yeah. I generally don't done so far. We watch if I probably go long there. And the wire. Yeah.
How much the wire?
Like that. Alright guys, so we just get the breaker panel. So we just spend another 20,000 right here, you know, buying for the electrical, you know, for them to get proper wire run inside the house. So we just get the breaker panel and the stuff that they need, the amps. Yeah, so we just get those stuff. So now we're heading on, you know, because they know what the house have to read. Got no proper wire, they got no plugs, no switch, nothing at all. They must use wires to attach onto wires. So they're gonna have some proper wire running now in the house now, and everything is more safer. So I don't know so far. Will you bring soap?
Oh, that regardless of what you know, because we talk soap and
Hey, you have something to wipe out that paper.
Water.
No, bro, the man that's what I'm care about. That's why, as I turn one for something, so the whole of something come down like that, so room.
Yeah, man, them dash
I'm telling you, you're jealous. The whole of something come down.
Yeah, but everything come down and one thing dash way. No, the back is not good.
On the back of the board, bust the car, bust the water, something jump on the car and bust the top, brother. Just look funny.
The car is the bus now.
Oh man, bro, you never bust long time, man.
Bro, the black.
Oh, rip off water in the man, the back.
Man, you know my water.
Rip off, we don't want to join. I'm watching.
Catch and wash out the car, bro.
Brother, I'm watching. I'm
Yes, you do, you do the man.
I'm watching. Join, brother.
I come back for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, mixing some clothes from here.
Axe, man, I know them feel the key now.
Light.
The key light.
Guys, so we just reached here at Mama River unpacking. You know, so we can actually walk over with the stuff there, the pots, the meat, the fish. Oh, perfect. Take out the fish out of the back of the car there, so. Take out the fish out of the back of the car.
Which one?
Mine. Yeah. Yeah, carrying out all the stuff then, so. Just remember. No man, like that? Yeah. No, it's in the bag. It's in the bag. Yeah, it's in the bag.
Don't start early, you know, because I blow up that.
I know my time.
Okay, that's cool.
So now fire stick, man.
Oh, we have original stick.
I use and cook what there now. A fire stick we use what there now.
Yeah. I know because this.
You need
So we use it, man.
We are use that. Take some meat. We use that and.
But the smoke beat more there though.
What is part of it?
Ballin'.
the panel, the boy come left it, man.
Look again where in there. They look for sharp box in there, so. The panel with in there, that's something. No, man, make sure you go down, you know, come back up, you know, look and check.
Yeah, the box them come out.
Check, you know, one check we are doing.
Let's go come back here.
No more water.
No, we don't know. We want to don't use a water, yeah, you know. No, man, don't use a water.
What kind of water?
Look.
We bought a craft river, we don't turn back a burn bridge, you know.
Yeah. Oh, carrot, you want carrot? Carry the coal. Well, the man have left the room. Oh, yeah, Jella carried. Yeah. Ballin'. Yeah, if you can jump, you're good.
If you can't jump, you go.
So, alright, you know, watch the videos, we saw the place there.
That's it, free? No, man, I think I go here, come on, let's go here. And crocs.
Eh?
No, man, I'll flush that with fire.
Whoa, how was that?
I can't make this, you know.
It broke off?
Yeah. So it's here.
Yeah.
The more it's here, so you have to travel with it.
Oh. Water is beautiful in the morning here. Yeah. I must take off your shoes. Or yes, take off your shoes.
Come on. Next topic. Alright, so girl jump there, fair enough. Girl, say no man, Gino.
Eh?
It's done already.
No, if I'm Melissa, wash the bag them.
I'm going to call man and tell her to get back, man.
So from me, if you want to, you have to go in a small pool around this out too. It must can cross this out. Yeah. It's still a fine different spot. So Arias, you could walk here, sir. Oh, he make it in find a spot. Yeah. So the sun, what's the sun circle right in there, so? Yeah. I him take them up. Alright, we'll go check in up here, sir.
Where is it? Rastafari. Rastafari.
Yeah. I'm probably walk on with the prefect. Charge. Oh, nice. Ah, what is it? Oh, yeah, give him something again now. Left in that carry, I go feed. Ready, yeah. So we're here, Charge.
Yeah. Charge, man, done. Right, yeah, right, okay. Yeah.
Places. Outside different places.
Yeah.
Different places around you up on the hills, you know.
One charge up. Fully. You hear that? Who that? You feel a tara, so? Yeah, no one a tara that may look for.
Hey, but you got tire.
Yeah, God no.
You got tire.
This is a she, brother.
More puppy.
I mean, she tell the woman up there what they say she want coffee, you know.
come over moon store them up playing, come over and get some.
So them people you see, once them have animal, the animal them have fear mingle. Yeah. Ajay, see electrician here?
Yeah.
I am this electrician this, huh? Sorry, you should have come inside, I could show you how the wire them set up. So we get the breaker as well too.
Oh, yeah, they get the breaker.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Oh, I miss you coming through like that.
Yeah?
So why I come through the house? I was Sunday.
The wire will come through the house?
Yes, like that at the main. When did
Where the wire come from?
From across the river itself.
And then why always come up like that?
Yeah, about 2 of them.
Why I'm come to? When I say I'm coming to some shop, I'm trying to enter. I'm going to fire right beside it enter us.
Oh. I'll wait there.
What like this?
Yeah, look like I hate that, the two of them.
Yeah, one of them were the correct.
I didn't pull it.
Yeah, then pull it. No, it's like this one, we can just connect it back. So when it was, we can just connect back it and, yeah. Our current comes from through this.
You want to connect it to the panel, to the breaker panel.
Yeah.
So that one if you put a nail pan it?
From one, this one there.
Oh yeah, you know say that better?
Yeah, coming further.
Can I hold in there, sir? Can I hold in there, sir?
Yeah, man. Okay, reach out the kids out. Alright, so it's a final there, so. One light.
Oh yes.
What plug the put in there, sir?
Eh?
What plug put in here, sir?
Baja. How much plug that plan put in here, sir?
That plan for put. I record the bedroom, they see that plan for put 2 here, sir. Or 1 round here, sir. 2 here, sir. 1 here, sir. 1 in here. 2 in here, sir. Put 1 here, sir.
1 here, sir?
Yeah. And probably 2 in the kitchen. Space him in the kitchen. I want to put 1 in the kitchen. But to the kitchen, you may want to plug
the fridge.
Plug in it. And something else, plug something. So 2 in here. 2, yeah. 1 here, sir.
2 here, sir?
No, 1 here, sir. How far away room is? Alright. Put 2 here, sir.
We don't want to go 1 and to convert them room or 1. So we don't really plug in more than
Yeah, but alright. Rollers may have the TV here, so put 2 rollers on 1 here. Yeah, I'll put 1. And 2 rollers, so we can put 1 for TV. One of the wall here, yeah. So 2 here, so. 1 here, so. And probably 1 anyway, here, so. And so you just have to look for them, board. Ah, there. Paint and deal with them.
Okay. And the crowbar?
No, I use the 8 here. What is my bucket?
Charles, just stop this. Watch it, Charles.
Chunks! What your name then? Oh.
Sir,
No, me have the name there.
you do what?
Want to cut in this. Chat, you have Axaya? A piece of steel? Alright, if you have a piece of steel, good. Chunks, bring some back, you some man. She's a feed artist. I need that them.
Chisel. You have chisel?
Yeah.
Chisel, this. You find it?
Yeah, it is.
I know, so we gotta bring a sponge. So you have a electrician go put up there.
Food nice.
Really, plug the baby now. Really, a big boy can't walk.
Wanna? Wanna sit down?
Wanna sit down? Come here, come.
Wanna sit down?
I run up and down. Stop it. If feel a tire too, you know. Come here. Come. Go on up here. She so come.
Yeah, that's it. Behave.
Living tired. You just want to lift up, sir? No, sir. And feel a tire and love the same thing what tire love. Lift up.
I work here already, you know.
Yeah, I work here. Don't have to work here.
You come. Come say teacher.
The grand on the mission, bringing up the blocks. 30 grand ain't falling. No, this is not falling.
No, for
And Jenna, yeah.
black them balance me, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Like
When me alone I walk, we like to drop. When I come here, the black them know my balance. Yeah.
The other day, I must say, well, at least a true 30 grand of the tile where I never drop in balance.
Balance, yeah, man.
Plant him feet firmly on the ground.
One Basha.
One.
But I say you have to use the bus it. The board there, so.
Yeah, and you cut out, that's cut out. It's a black up this way.
So the all of this is gonna have blocks come all the way right here. Because this is where the shower pipe will be, because here's the water main right here. So. You have to cut out these.
No.
Yeah, leave it?
Make it go straight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I look at the higher.
for the team.
Oh, yeah, granite. I granite him more.
No more time. Tell you them.
I just tell you show me.
No more time.
Pick up if and show and show back.
Ah, ja.
Yeah, show if and show beside that there. Granite there, so. I granite that.
No, no matter how stand, man.
Okay.
Stand, man.
We don't start straight out around this already.
Say no matter. Just
Round upon a piece of concrete around this.
yeah, man. Just mix it in time when you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Charge of layer folds. Layer and white folds. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so prefect here deal with the door. Black is beautiful, them said. Yeah. And the door sure they look beautiful. They said black is beautiful. And the door surely.
Them part, yeah.
Eh?
You know, say them part, yeah, where the kids them come.
Mm-hmm.
You can't get no work done when them come in. So what I need for now.
Yeah. That is it. We fix to leave it to the professionals.
Yes, man. Get it right.
Yes, sir.
That's something I put in a black.
Yes, sir. Yeah, put that as
It's
well.
around on the other side of this. Put it in a black. But what I'm gonna do, I want it touch on this.
Yes, sir.
When it dry, you also can easy well touch out back.
Yeah.
Charge, let me make dirt go down in this. Let me make dirt go down there. So let me make it clear. Wait there.
Guys, say,
Clear
see.
this before me. Give me the way.
That's probably keep it in the kitchen. Charge for the receptacle them there and the plug them. Where's the plugs and the receptacles? Good night. So guys, as you can see, this room definitely I'm gonna need one of these fresh that jar. Definitely, because this is the mother and the father own. So you know you got the kids them own right there. And this is what mom and dad what they use. So in here definitely I'm gonna need one of those for them to put them clothes. Yeah. So charge it. Are that alone now for phone clothes? Definitely I'm gonna need. I want to keep them in this. Definitely I'm gonna need one of them that in here. Definitely I'm gonna need one of those dresser drawers. So guys, so we have to go buy one of these for the mom and the dad, because this is what they keep their clothes in. As you can see, it's full. So, this is what they store their clothes in, all the clean clothes. You know, and that's the only one that there. And the kids are, that's the one that we buy for the kids them. the last time. So this room got nothing at all like that. You know, nothing at all like that, man. So you can see.
Wash out. Take out the stone out of that and wash out this. The tile can't go down by dirt. Wash out for me.
He'll tell this of us.
He'll take out the corner and on the corner then I put this.
So you have the flat roof. So as you can see, all the tiles is off the wall. So guys, Baja just suggests that we have to put a ceiling bed and Solitex this as well too. Because you can see this is a naked roof. You know, so this also need to be Solitex. Just like this one. You know, so we have to go buy some Solitex for that one, you know. Eh?
More head up for me. Hold on this like you know. Please.
Yeah. Yes guys, so I just see this room, you know, I'm sure charge we done alright, same here, but you know, this room definitely gonna need one as well too, as you can see. It's still thing. This is gonna need Solitex also. It's definitely gonna need Solitex, so we have to go buy Solitex and lard for sort out this as well too. So this definitely I forgot dealt with for sure. Cutter?
Yeah. Yes.
Bring our next extension in the bar, you see?
Plug it in.
It's plugging already, man.
So there's some proper wires running here. Plug out?
Yes, plug out. Plug in.
Just put the note of so that's the window you cut out, Baja.
Charging. Yeah. Use the arm.
A close line is charging?
Yeah.
Okay. I know some of that have glass, I'm going to bring the glass here.
Look up right where near, look up right top. Yeah. Up right left side. Yeah. Yeah. Push it up. Watch me now. Now go on the part you have to cut off this part of the block there. Mark this part of the block there.
So that's the window right there.
Yes, sir. Alright, yes, sir. Cut off. Take off a piece of the block there. But here we do. No mark it, yes, sir. Make that even up round this.
Bob the Builder. Yeah, Barger the Builder, not Bob the Builder. Gel over there. Make sure you see the post stand firm.
About the sun. Say now I run good. All you do in a commercial key, no? Watch the lead, yeah. Watch the wire.
What is my knock it off? My reach. Mercy to us.
Yeah. Take up a phone and put on the bed this. I have to go paint that to me.
Yeah.
I want more paint.
You want more black?
Yeah. Because that now I go do it.
Okay.
And you know, when it's a tree, I tell you why I want more part of that. Ready? Tell you and you still come do it. See Tina there, see sponge there. Take up a sponge there.
Say very rich as yet, but to do I touch and say very rich as so.
Oh, Tina dep on this?
No, but I make him look.
Yeah. Put the ball on
I
there.
try doing it.
Yeah.
Get tree down.
You want more for your tongue. Touch it.
Yeah.
Prefect, what me gotta do? I gotta buy another tin a black then and come back.
Yeah, man. And some more Tina here.
And more Tina.
I look at tip of Tina we have there.
Yeah.
See it here? This.
Yeah.
It's now work.
I can't for wipe
You want a bigger back. They're supposed to sell retail, you know.
I get the quart. I feel it's the quart.
The pan in a pan.
Yeah. I just pan one there.
Marta! Not the water. So touch the ground out here on the Marta.
Not on the water, you know, water we are mixed, not water. Yeah man, the people man, that's how the work set man, you see me I say?
Dream team is on the
Yeah,
work.
man, on the work man, have to make it work, you know?
You know, once dream team is on the work,
Got to make it work.
we'll make it work. Why are the players? Concrete up. Charge is seeing dream team at first and work right now. And it's not even the old team.
Hey, bring that come charge. We use that as a matter boat. That's out there. The hammer up there.
Yeah.
Put this up there. Put it up there. I'm going to steel.
Hey, take out them.
You need anything else at the hard work?
Yeah, good.
No, they're not a wood block. I pay surface and everything on surface. Alright, see them now. See them now.
All this talk and water.
Talk and water.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Good eyes.
Put enough, take it to
Kilo, you want? Look at the pen. You want four like this, right? You have to do that back. Five lights. When that back, so you run up to the back here, so. You run up to the back here. Connect it with two more. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 round with black. You have a pen, look at that half.
Oh, so I'm pencil. Oh,
You have a pen, so I'm do this.
You ready? Yo, 30 grand.
go you.
Yeah.
God. Forward that show load for the veranda.
Yeah.
Give me the water.
Show it.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna head to the hardware to go and get some more stuff. I also get another quarter of oil block. Need a quart. Yeah, another quart. And thinner and more electric appliance.
Pass them steel up there. No. Alright. Alright, when you take for pass up black. You reach for some black, you just reach for some black.
So I'm saying about 4 broad base wood block. That's the receptacle them.
Yeah.
You know? 5, 4
broad base.
wood block. Round, you get some round block. The receptacle. We light up them. Them don't like it. You know what I mean? They have 5 switch block for the surface switch them.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? So now 5 surface switch block, 5 surface plug block. Because square one them with the plug.
Yeah.
And 2 dozen inch and a half screw.
So I'm gonna try. You must have a class. I'm gonna. Well, that's the idea we charge that.
Try plumb it.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you're doing the right thing. Just great and never there, you know.
We know see blend now.
So that me have to go use.
Yeah man. So I wonder now, you got hardware.
Yeah.
So I'm going to catch up fire and go and cook the brown. No.
Eh?
Now go and cook the fire and just cook the brown in and just brown so and put it down, you know.
Alright, yeah, go on.
And then you come back. We just throw cool and just
leave with the flour.
And where the fish them there? Where the fish them there?
Where the bag there coming?
The fish them there. To the fish them there.
Oh,
fish
see
them
there?
in the bag there.
With the bucket.
Look, you come now, remember now, you know. The fish them now, I could have go and seize them up on them something.
Yeah, seize them up. Alright guys, so wash up there, I go and prep. Wash up the speaker.
Oh yeah man, I speak and look at you.
Alright guys, so wash up I go and prep. Wash up season up the chicken already.
Yeah man.
You know, the brown stew chicken.
Yeah man, see the well seized up already, you know. So we cut up down here and the thing them, you know, so get this out of the way, you know, this, you know.
Yeah. So the coconut them I go and prep. So as I said, today I'm going to do some pumpkin dumpling.
I said them got me blend them.
Yeah, so pumpkin dumpling I'm doing today. Put down the coconut milk. So this is what I'm going to sort out.
Yeah.
Till I come back. So I'm going to go to the hardware and come back.
Yes.
A good thing the dog never smell the fish out. Hey, that gone with it, like especially the white nose, you know.
I run someone come and see him go down there, you know, bro. Yeah, I see him go down there, but he's smart, man.
One white nose, if white nose did it ever catch this fish? Gone. Gone, that white nose. If him did ever. So, Alright, so back in a minute.
Wash them off on the river. Go and wash them. So come. Get wash them. Get back the light up my last.
Yeah. Alright, back in a minute. Oh, my bag there.
Yeah, so that's see that.
Alright, so I'm heading to the hard way quick and fast to get in some more stuff. You know. And then we're gonna get the salad cakes I think. And I'm gonna call Baja and see if we need the salad cakes today or probably for the next day. But more likely it's probably for the next day. Because since he's working in the bathroom, I think inside next room. Alright guys, so I got to stock them, got some more wires again, you know, because the place really need a lot of wire and everything. And I just spent another $14,430 as well. So the more we go on, the more we're spending more money, more and more the things that literally need to get done, you know. So thank you guys so much, you know, for your blessings and your kind support. We definitely do really appreciate, you know. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back up in the hill. Yeah, back on the project. Trust me, the sun is kicking and I don't understand. Everyone about so the place cold the other day and now the sun is kicking and now I wish we have a cold breeze right now. Trust me. Yeah, so back so you can see what I'm going now. So here's the stuff them I got just now. One box and stuff. Prefect door is blacker. Looking proper. Yeah. See the charge, eh? Yeah. Looking like a real dapper.
Brand new.
Brand new. So here's the next one. Prefect, I get another coat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. For it shine.
Make it dry.
Dry a little bit.
Yeah, then we'll come back. So we're going to wait for the next start.
Yeah. So we have areas where we are going around the lights them officially. So at least you can get a plug right where the TV is.
After moving to Charlestown, Massachusetts in 1952, Rebecca Crumpler worked as a nurse for 8 years. At that time, the lack of official school of nursing.
So I go on here, so now. So Baja aka Bob the Builder.
Let's try and get this place a little square up because from day one
it's square down.
That build that way there, you know?
Yeah.
So in order to make the tiles sit down level, you try to level it out.
Yeah.
Not going to square because the building itself
it's not square.
It's not square, so you just have to just make it work out the best. But you don't know. I think Dream Team put them in pan.
Make it work.
Yeah, make it work, you know?
Definitely.
We are the best sweet right now.
Yeah.
Bring it to.
Yeah, so you can see where I'm going to have no concrete and the window is over there. And that's the structure. So when the tiles sit down on the wall, jeez! It's a new look. And so we have Jenna here. We want to give a bathroom next on the list.
Yeah.
Because Jenna, that's what he said we need a bathroom though.
Yeah.
So we have Jenna here. You know, we're going to give her a bathroom and we'll finish up this project. You know.
Appreciate it, you know? Chunky boy! Bandits!
$30,000.
From the Benz.
One. Yeah, man, the people, man. You see it? Yeah, I put it in, man. You see me? I say,
He's not falling down today.
No, falling down. Fit up. Yeah, man. Balance.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm happy.
Yeah. So areas are moved. So the whole house is getting proper wired now, as you can see. You know, the wire them running around. You know, here's the breaker right here. Then you have as well too. So yeah, you're gonna have light as well too in the ceiling that they never have before. So yeah, I'm saying. So the prefect start at the middle door and the back door to prefect.
Back door,
Yeah. Back door.
Yeah, black.
Yeah. Putting a black, it turns a different color. So at least now when the ceiling bed go up, you know, the side pegs, at least now this is there so it can come right through. You know, so this will literally come right through, drop right through. You know, because I say this is nature, you know, so it was definitely needed. Definitely for sure. So this door definitely need to also.
Yeah, wait a minute. Black man fitting.
Black man fitting. So also this door I have to literally have to paint just to protect it, you know. So you have to get this paint as well. As you can see, it's on the journey already. So you know it's time for me to go in the kitchen. So now I'm going to go to do the dumpling, some pumpkin dumpling. That's the plan. Some pumpkin dumpling. Join about that one there. But you tried that one there before?
No.
But I tried. Yeah. Pumpkin cooked on the same coconut milk same. Yeah. Well, we just see a trench town a while ago. I go and say a trench town, the 26th. I don't know, I go now.
That's how I'm saying it.
Yeah, I'll get that by. But I hope they never. So even the kitchen counter is going to be tile as well too. So all of this is going to be tile, you know. So they can see the wire also reach in the kitchen as well too, because none never in here properly. This is what was in here. This was dangling, you know, bolt dangling, you know, wire running through all the windows and them stuff. So everything is going to look definitely copacetic, and you know, look definitely where it's supposed to be and look in and, you know. Alright, Chargy. So yeah, give me something for you as well too. You know, so I have to continue go and take care of you.
Oh yeah. Well, we can't stop bless you from man. Yeah, man. I want to see you, man. See the greatness of him. Yeah, man. See the greatness of him.
Yeah, man. So I'm sending some stuff for you, maintain it. You know? Well, I'm gonna get it for you. Because you know when you drop off a farm, more you continue. Same way. Pass that back down the grill. Alright, so Georgie, hold up for it. Yeah, so in there you have the circulation and you have the blood purifier. So that is the circulation. So you know morning time. Yeah. So the circulation make it morning and night as well too. And the blood purifier in the morning. And you have the dropper.
This is a dropper.
Yeah. Under the tongue as well too. Him say in the morning and also in the night. Under the tongue. Yeah.
Yeah. Holy Pana again, I'm a teacher. Holy Pana again, man. Holy Palopana again, man. Look again.
No, don't stop.
You
No, we don't want to stamp again.
Yeah, you made that at me. Yeah. Holy Pamanas again, man.
Yes, sir.
Man.
That
yes,
is
sir.
it, man.
It is it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Every time charges stamp, make my heart beat, you know.
Greatness, man.
Yeah. Every time the one stamp, make my heart beat. And I said, no! You know. Yes, sir. So. You know, and it's a time. So I'm gonna go in the kitchen now. I'm going to start some baller roll myself, you know. Yeah. Alright, so we have some sliced fish here. We got some sliced fish. And also we have the brown stew chicken finished already. So wash up the brown stew already. Brown stew chicken ready already. Oh, chef ain't playing, so here's what's gonna happen now. You know, in order for me to literally do the pumpkin, I have to blend it, you know. So current used to be here where we can plug in, but I guess boomer this man clip. So if I go by Cranberry with the, you know, cause I brought my smoothie blender, the Nutra blend, to literally blend the pumpkin. And whenever I bring in a grater, so I have to go blend with coconut also. So we worship for security.
I think them secure, man, you know. Cut them up and put them one side from now, you know.
Yeah.
Put them one side from now. I was still in the fish.
Guys, said we are Crystal Cranberry kitchen, you know, the family kitchen. So I must say there used to be some electrical car done by, it's not there anymore, so we have to come up here, come do this, and they go back down there to juice it, you know. So get them blend here and then go back down there to juice it. So we're making use of the kitchen very soon already. So This is the last batch of the coconut. Finish already. The last batch of the coconut. A bullet, so this blend it. This is the coconut finished juice, finished blend. So I'm going to go down by the kitchen and then finish the juice to put it in the pot. So now I'm going to blend the pumpkin now. Here's the pumpkin now. You're going to blend it. So here's the pumpkin, well blend, splendid and ready. So yes, so time to go back down to the river and do the juicing. Yeah. So now we're gonna strain the coconut right here, get the milk, get the juice. Alright.
I'm gonna give charge for
Voila.
Yeah.
No, it's short first.
We'll dry it, yeah. Actually, yeah.
Yeah, man, I put the phone on. Wait. 3 pounds of flour with a pumpkin. 3 pounds, I guess that will work. Some salt. So here we have the pumpkin. I put some coconut milk. You know what? You best just leave the coconut milk outside. So this is the pumpkin in the flour. We're going to knead it right in. Right in, we're going to knead it. So do you ever try this before? Let me know. It's something you should try. This is something you should try. So as I say, you're gonna see it when I finish. When I finish, knead it. All right. So give me a second. So here you go. Finish, roll, and ready to knead. Right there, so and there you got the coconut milk. And the coconut milk is over here in the pot. You know, I just put it on, so This is not ready as yet, so I'm gonna wait for this to boil a bit before I literally can season it up. You know, and then we can put in the flour inside of it. You know, so the color what you see is from the pumpkin. You know, this is all the flour, the color from the pumpkin you're looking at. See? Color of the pumpkin. And then it's gonna drop in the coconut milk. You know. Plus we have the steamed fish over here. Well, right now we're cooking down. So we have some coconut milk inside of this as well too. Coconut milk inside the fish. So I'll put in some pumpkin. I'll put in some pumpkin inside this. So we got the okra, we got the carrot, we got the scallion, we have the onion, we have the pepper, the tomato, the sweet pepper, you know, and the garlic also. So this is gonna make this kind of get tender first before we put in the fish on top of it. Alright guys, so fish finished, so I'm taking out the fish right now, you know, off the fire. So this is ready. So we can't fast because the fish already to fry, you know, so we just cook down the gravy with some coconut milk, you know, and this is the baby ready for the belly. So also I'm gonna get ready to season the pot already for the dumplings. Now as you can see, coconut milk boiling. So that is ready for the flour to go in right now. And so what I'm doing now, I just drop the seasoning in the chicken. So I made the chicken go down some more. So guys, we can cook chicken without tasting. Yeah? Because we know the judgment. I know to judge it. So make that go and simmer down. Yeah, make it go on to simmer down right now. So while I'm gonna drop the dumplings in the pot. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So dumpling time. So dumpling time. Oh God, excuse. Dumpling time now. Smooth. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Yeah. After I finish all these, then I will show you how I go on. So I will get back to you. Evening, Cranberry. Say evening?
Yeah.
Me not hear her.
It was she said
See? Never hear her.
Tara gallon. Yeah. Yeah. You know this time, all chefs are buy 3 pounds of flour. You know all chefs are buy 3 pounds of flour. And me I wonder if this 3 pounds of flour I go share. Because trust me, we never count them, to be honest. But it seems like say it a run short. You know? But if it runs short, you know we have to go make it work. Definitely. Kind of why it seems like say this one feel light. You know, very light. So you know what I have to do? Make them small like marble. Yeah. So some man get 3 and 4, it look like so them get woolly, but you know them small. So marble type. See there? Marble. But we have to go make it work. Trust me. So everyone will understand. It's too late now to do any more flour and pumpkin. So we'll just work it over, right? But definitely we're gonna make it work. Wow. Steam in the pot, dumpling in that. Check it out and got that. See them there, pumpkin dumpling, coconut milk. Aye, the dumpling them look small amount in the pot, but trust me, we have to make it work. You know, definitely have to make it work. It's gonna work, it's gonna work. One thing with Dream Team, we make it work. For sure. Let's go look what's going up there on the work side. 30 grand? As me reach your dropping? As me reach your dropping? Come on, Jenna. All this time could have dropped him, wait till the camera reach. That's the time like to drop.
The camera there, you know?
Yeah. So imagine him have all the time could have dropped, but him choose to drop when the camera come. That's when him choose to drop. Imagine that. Dropping time. Right?
Give the viewers them some laughter, you know?
Look what I go on the barge outside, giving them a more step up. Okay. It's much better for them.
More bigger. Look at them ball like one ball, you know.
One step. Alright, so electrician is still on it. See the door, yeah? He said black is beautiful. Look at that one, black and shine and nice. You can see all yourself. Black, shine and nice. So now. So, let's see what I go on inside now.
Don't make me no war.
Alright then, so them have a bulb camera right there, receptacle right there. Switch going right here. Oh sir.
Hello.
come out here. Alright, so see everything black up now, guys, inside here. So it's all blacked up. There's a window there. Sure. There's a window. It's gonna go back right there. So this is all concrete there, concrete. So you know it's gonna flash and render, you know, and then we don't have to render because it's gonna be tile, you know. So they're gonna flash it out and then put the tile on it, you know, and then inside is gonna be tile as well too, and the banking here is gonna be tile. So it's gonna look beautiful when it's finished. Just imagine how it's gonna look when Baja finish that. Bob the builder, you know, and then we'll put some tile back over here, you know. So this is gonna tile all over back again because the tile has been messed up because of the paint and everything, and the tile missing, broke up, misplaced. So it's all gonna be a redo back again, you know. So the electrician is on it, you know. Let me see the next door now. Finish.
Now I said I can come back and see too. Like my ID took some time to make him see. Cause some day like when you buy, you know, some day like we can go like so, you know. Like when night come and go down for the car. I'm glad in bed though. Tired to school boy. So we afraid of shock that anything when you want to plug in no. No, the iron part me a talk when the sound plug should be in something. I eat a shot, that's why my mother said she want that wire the one who get okay.
Yeah. Where you say a while ago?
Tinator.
You look on your what?
Tinator.
Tinator? I don't know what name Tinator.
Tinator. Seed.
Tinator.
Jenna, what you say a while ago?
Tinator.
Tinator.
Eh?
Tinator.
Tomato.
You get
Tomato.
You get tomato.
Hold that.
Long time. When the man see me come, the man run out of the kitchen long time, you know. Run Ghana River. Yeah, brown soup. Alright guys, so as I can see, Baja put a step up where it needed right there. Trust me, the step up they really needed right there. So now you can see the step right up. So imagine those two steps wasn't there. So imagine how high them have a step. You know, each step will come up a step. So high. You know. So high. Alright, Jenna.
Yeah.
So I have this donation here for your granddaughter Alena from Patricia from the Sunrise team.
Yeah.
And this is for her birthday.
Yeah.
You know, and this is 100 US from Patricia from the Sunrise team for Alena.
Patricia from the Sunrise team, thank you very much. May your food basket never empty. Thank you for this for my granddaughter Alena. Her birthday. She feel thank you so much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Love and love only.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright then, so we give thanks to Patricia. When we say Patricia, we say driver, don't stop at all, you know. but a big driver here, so yeah man, so that's for Jenna granddaughter, you know, from Patricia, you know, from the Sunrise team. So big up Miss Charmaine, also from the Sunrise team, you know, blessed love to you and the whole team, you know. Driver, you better don't stop at all. Alright guys, so it's food time now. The dumpling is ready and everything, so and the guys them is finishing up working right now, so I'm gonna get everything prepared. And we have Nana who's gonna hold the camera for me because they just come from school. So you know Nana big camera lady already. Right? So Nana turn it on now. Alright. So Nana the big camera lady. Can stay alright then you can stay around there for the minute, Nana. Right around there. Where you can see everything. So I always look in the camera, okay? Yeah. Hot. So guys, I'm gonna tell you, say the dumpling them look lily, but trust me, I have to make them small so I can make it work, so everybody can get something. So,
I don't want to film what I want, no. I was trying to talk. You say I don't. No, I don't.
Yeah, prefect can take up on me.
Yeah. Come on.
Paja.
My side, I eat this, you know.
It's a goal a score.
Yeah, man.
I hit this goal a score. Nobody not car repair yet.
Pass.
Paja that. $30 grand. See him there. Charge it. Whoa. No, to she. So take a fork now.
The Rasta man.
Yeah.
Then the one.
It's the Rasta man there.
Yep.
See that one?
Ah, Jonathan, yeah, man. Oh, look at my girl.
We box up there one day quick.
Being done, you know.
Oh, hold on there. Oh. Kenisha. Oh, the pit them. I show the pit them. So Nana. Yeah. Here, miss.
Thanks.
Call Toko.
Yeah, it's a plastic cup. Catch them.
Plastic cup?
Yeah.
See them around yesterday. Cool. You are Toko Loco. Alright guys, we have to make it work, let me tell you. We make it work. And how we make it work.
Yeah man, one team man.
Yeah.
One team, you know?
How we make it work. I have to sacrifice my dumpling. So I took 1.5 just to make it work. But I told you I'm gonna make it work. So this is my sacrifice. Sacrifice make it work. You know, so yeah. What prefect? Start well man and go on well.
Yes man.
Prefect start well and go on well. So yeah well.
This was a good properly meal, you know?
Yeah. The whole heap of chicken you forgot about cook some more. 30 grams, how was it?
Yeah man, man, it was fantastic.
Yeah.
Man.
So some chicken we can go simmer down with some rice.
Down there. Woo! Yeah man, some look about time like that. Well miley.
Yeah. Woo! Charge it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah bro.
Good day work.
Man.
That is it. Them say by the sweater you bro, you must eat bread. But Cranberry never sweat, so how shall I eat bread? You never sweat? Did you sweat? Mm-mm. Yeah, you must eat bread. The badgers, Bob the builder, them say the sweater you bro.
We eat more than the food.
No.
You know, I fish my bunks off and leave the ticket.
No,
so I say, like, I'm going to do a second round, come on and go down.
Yeah.
Rice and chicken.
Can you know, sir, boy, you talk about get 3 pounds of flour. And the 3 pounds of flour could work, Jella. No, listen up, me a 1.5 dumpling me to get, you know. Yeah. I sacrifice my dumpling. You know. Don't tell you first though. No.
Food and one food.
Yeah man, sorry but yo, John, I tell you. Boy, John, dumpling are the best. Coconut dumpling and pumpkin dumpling.
Yeah.
One of the best. I know, yo, I tell you back. Feet me right. Yeah. Wow, chef, I got cook right and then go down.
Yeah. The man them vote for the pumpkin dumpling, you know. They must say the pumpkin dumpling, it have an edge over the oats dumpling. And imagine, yeah, the oats dumpling so nice. Come on, you're going to just take off the cover, come on. Utilize it. More meat than flour.
You know?
Our chef come here without flour, you know. Yeah, our chef say, yeah, what, 3 pounds of flour. When I realize it's...
Around 6 pounds of chicken?
No, 15 pounds.
I believe you.
There.
You say 15?
And mash up it, sir.
Eh? 12 pounds, see there?
Yeah, man, boy, I can't put the rice meal come on, man.
You got to do it, let me set apart there.
Give me a plate, come close.
I'm going to talk about rice something later.
How come I say?
Okay,
come on. Yeah. I put some local thing in the bucket of the room. You see?
Eh? Alright guys, so you know. Liverpool win. Them draw? Eh? Liverpool lead 1-0. I thought I should pop up on my phone when I turn. Alright guys, so we finish up now for the day. You know, everybody eat and everything. Relaxing, so we're gonna head out and then we're gonna come again, you know, to finish up. I'm gonna get some more stuff as well because we're gonna get some Salitex also, you know, and get another tin of paint. Prefect, where you say a tin of the purple? I want another tin of the purple. Okay. Alright, so we have probably need another pink then too. Yeah. Pink, yeah. So we have to get another gallon
at the purple, another gallon at the pink, and also get Salitex. You know, and so I don't know what other things are gonna need it, you know, as you can see they're gonna definitely need a Chester jar because they don't have nothing to put their clothes in, you know, the mother and the father. You know, so we're gonna take our time, you know, and then we're gonna come back now another day. Today when Baja free again, I'll come put in some more work, you know, and get this thing across the line. So blessed love guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Please, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't liked the video, put the thumbs up. You know the video is finished. Blessed love. Anything team.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.